farmer hats. Take your pitchforks. 1, 2, 3. It's a farmer's life for me. Okay? 1, 2, 3. It's a farmer's life for me. Good. Okay, so if we're farmers, what do we do? What do you do? What do you want to do, Anna?
I want to milk the cow.
Okay. Okay, so take it. Okay, so we're going to say first. I milk the cow.
I milk the cow.
Okay, so put it in first, right here. Right here on the board. There we go. First, I milk. No, leave room. First, I milk the cow. Good. Okay, Manon, what do you want to do?
I want to get the eggs.
Good. Okay, so you can put it after.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. Okay, so next. I get the eggs.
I get the eggs.
First, I milk the cow. I milk the cow. Next, I get the eggs. Good. 1, 2, 3. It's a farmer's life for me. Good. Okay, here we go. What's next? Ellie, what do you want? Everyone, what do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
I want to feed the pigs.
Okay, great. Go ahead. Feed the pigs. Excellent. Anna, what do you want to do?
I want to pick the fruit.
Good. Okay, pick the fruit. Okay, so let's feed the pigs. Feed the pigs.
Feed the pigs.
Oink, 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 oink. Okay. Okay. Then pick the fruit.
Pick the fruits.
Pick the fruit.
Pick the fruits.
Pick the fruits. Good. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. It's a farmer's life for me. Good. What do you want to do, Manon?
I heard
The sheep. Good. Okay, well, put it next. And Ellie?
And
At last,
I give water
to the
chicks.
to the chicks. Great, I give water. Or to the animals in general. Great.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so next I heard a sheep. At last, I give water. Good. 1, 2, 3. It's a farmer's life for me. Gotta be farmers. Show your muscles. Okay, good. Ooh, Manon, let me see. Oh, big muscles. Ooh, Anna. Ooh, big muscles. Good. Okay, we're farmers. Okay, so we're gonna start from the beginning. Remember, first, next, after, then, next, at last. Okay, here we go. Ready? First, I milk the cow.
First I milk the cow.
Next, I get the eggs.
Next I get the eggs.
1, 2, 3. It's a farmer's life for me. 1, 2, 3. It's a farmer's life for me. Okay. After I feed the pigs. Then I pick the fruit. Good. 1, 2, 3. It's a farmer's life for me. 1, 2, 3. It's a farmer's life for me. Good. What do we do next? I
Herd the sheep.
and I give water. Okay, here we go, everyone. Next, I herd the sheep. At last, I give water. 1, 2, 3. It's a farmer's life for me. Everyone, really big, like farmer voices, huh? 1, 2, 3. It's a farmer's life for me. Good job. Have fun on the farm. Bye.